Guys, what's up? This is Krishna Vasist. I hope you all are good and doing great in your life. So guys, which structure that I'm gonna tell you, and structure is very important, very common. You can involve this structure in your practice and with your friends and with your family members. So guys, now structure is, suppose if you are good at something and while doing you feel comfortable, so how can you say in this English? Suppose मैं drawing में अच्छा हूँ, so you can say I am good at drawing. Okay, मैं पढ़ने में अच्छा हूँ, I am good at studying. Okay, मैं लिखने में अच्छा हूँ, I am good at writing. And मैं खाने में अच्छा हूँ, I am good at eating. Okay, मैं ड्राइविंग में अच्छा हूँ, आई एम गुड एट ड्राइविंग. मैं चेस में अच्छा हूँ, आई एम गुड एट चेस. एंड मैं गाना गाने में अच्छा हूँ, आई एम गुड एट सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग. सो गाइज, आई एम गुड एट, द टुडे स्ट्रक्चर इज आई एम गुड एट, आई एम गुड एट. ओके, एंड if you like something and if you have some habit to do something again and again, so you can combine both structure together. Okay, so I am good at drawing, I am good at reading, I am good at writing, I am good at driving, I am good at playing. So many sentences you can say. Okay guys, what about this video? You can ask me anytime, you can comment me anytime. Definitely I'll get back to you, and till then, bye bye, stay tuned.